Hi, welcome back again to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. The vlog today covers the bridal shower of our dearest Rhea. I love Rhea because she's so nice and smiling, and I want to thank her and family for having me in the party. The party was beautiful, we had so much fun, and most of all, the theme fits the bride perfectly. Thumbs up to whoever put together this amazing event. Now let's raise a glass to this beautiful girl. Congratulations! Cheers to all the close friends and family members who came to celebrate. Enjoy the video! So we're here at the gazebo. What did you call this function here? It's a really nice restaurant, very classy. Show your ring, show your ring.
Oh, show my ring?
That's the ring. This is the mother of the bride. Oh, nang Rylan. Pretty na, Rylan karon. Oh,
Thank you.
dili lang karon oy forever.
Oh my God.
Ah. Okay, I welcome you all to this party. Smile, pinabakita.
Nabaki ko mo. Hanap na ko sa tip.
Hi guests. Good afternoon. Again. Are you okay? No, the baby's crying. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? You're in my camera. Hello. What's wrong? Do you want to see your face in the camera? Very pretty ladies here. Smile again. Oh, ako'y turn around, no? Oh, oh, scan, good, scan each. Oh, show you the buffet. It's the buffet.
look at this couple. Very humble. This couple is very, they're very humble. They're the last one to come.
Yes.
Get some food.
Yes, you guys eat first.
Yeah. Huh?
You need to eat. Yes, you need to eat.
I will eat now.
Yes.
What's the food, guys?
Good. Beef.
Nice.
Good. Full now, full.
Push lang ta market.
Miss Philippines, how are you?
I'm good.
How are you?
Dali, mga untang.
I'm already done. It's good, right? The food is. Congratulations.
Thank you. Like what?
Very excited?
A month from now.
Yeah, a month
2
from now.
months. 2 months.
2 months. After our birthday.
Yeah. Wait, when's your birthday?
September 18th.
Oh yeah,
Yours is September 28th, right?
25th.
Answering questions here. Who knows the best? Who knows the bride best? What is the bride's favorite ice cream flavor? I'm guessing vanilla. How many kids do the bride and groom want? 2 or 3? Where is the wedding located? Oh, this I forgot where is the wedding located. Asa man na, oy? I forgot.
Kids do the bride and groom want?
2 or 3? Two or 3?
5. Wow.
2 or 3? 2 or 3? 2 or 3?
At least 2. Yeah, 2. I do 2 or 3. So 2, ideally 3.
Yes, I'm right.
Next question, where is the wedding located? Okay, good. Okay, so this one is hard because it is in 2 locations. So if you put either Royal Oak or Rochester Hills, you're good.
Okay.
Your mom and dad's family from in the Philippines. So it is B. It's Mandawi City, Cebu, and Pavia. Dad's not here, but I'm sure Dad would say yay if he was here. All right. What is her favorite memory with the groom? I get 2 answers, so if anyone said one or the other, y'all count, y'all win. One of them is Cory's first Filipino party because, not gonna lie, I told him that he was gonna meet my parents, and then my mom called everyone to come over, and then Cory calls me and goes, "Why are there so many cars in your driveway?" And I'm like, "Oh." And then Cory comes and he's like, "There's a lot of people here." I'm like, "Yeah." And then the second, if you said this too, so when Cory and I went to Cancun for the first time, he got really, really sunburned, like bad. Cancun! Yeah, he got really, really sunburned bad. Like it was really funny. And I think the kids over there, like I sent them a picture. Yes! I sent the kids a picture and they were like, "Oh my God." So that's not the second one. So vacation in Cancun or Cory's first Filipino party? All right. Can't live without. That's not what Rhea put.
Sorry, Cory, it's not you.
Okay, so I can't live without my Nintendo. This was a toss-up. She wasn't sure, but what she say today. They changed it. So my favorite movie is Rush Hour. Alright, the last question. Last question. How many bridesmaids are in the bridal party? 5 bridesmaids, 1 bridesman. So 6. Good. Alright. So who got all of the bride? Alright, who got 1 wrong? 2 wrong?
All wrong.
Should we say right? Alright. They're right.
Yeah.
Start out. Who
There's
got
a winner
16
here.
right? Who got 15
From
right?
this table.
14 right? 13 right? You got 13 right? Nice. Okay. First place. Alright. 12 right. 11 right? Oh, there we go. Raise your hand. Alright. So go ahead. We're going to have a tiebreaker. We're in first and second place.
First city and then second.
Prizes? Alright.
Okay, so the first prize is this lovely big bag.
Oh, that's good.
And then second prize is gonna go to my mama Philly, the lady in the pink over there. Yay!
Alright. You guys got them out? Okay. The first one. Would Rhea rather brunch or happy hour? Okay. Would she rather stay home or go dancing?
Stay home.
Go dancing. Alright. Sweet or salty?
Sweet.
Sweet. Can you tell by the dessert bar over there? Cook or get takeout?
Take out.
Takeout.
Oh my God, they know you.
Early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Mountains or beach?
Beach.
Got it. Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Drink coffee or drink soda?
Soda.
They're good. Alright, who got all 8 correct? All of them right?
Okay, all 8. Okay, whoever got all 8, they're not. I got you. I got some names for y'all. So, thank you guys again so much. We love you. We're gonna take some cookies and donuts home. Yes. Can't wait to see you guys in September. Or before that. Yeah.